What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're a normal visitor, welcome back. Now in this video I want to give you the tips and tricks of how to get to a 10k subscribers on Instagram fast, really fast. And these tips and tricks, right, that I'm going to show you, this will help you to increase your Instagram followers in a short period of time. Trust me, because I have grown my Instagram to over 10k followers, so I can tell you that this actually works. I also did a video on how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. The link should be somewhere right up here, so you can click that and watch that video on how to get to 100 subscribers on YouTube. Now if you even pass 100, you can also watch it to get some more tips on how to grow also on YouTube. Now in this video I'm going to show you 5 important tips that you need to know in order to grow your Instagram account. So please make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end so you can get all these tips in order to grow your Instagram account. So these tips basically goes for whether you have a personal account, whether you have a business account that you need to grow on Instagram, whether the account might be, whether it be for your personal or for your business. So growing account on Instagram, I know it can be challenging. No, most of you want to publish your brand and stuff like that. Now with these steps, it can make it easier for you to gain amount of subscribers over a period of time. And the first thing I want to talk about is consistency. I know that in everything that you do, consistency is always key for success. If you have an Instagram account that you need to grow, right, you need to post on a consistency on a regular basis so that people can be aware of your presence on the platform, right? And also, when I talk about posting consistency, you're not going to post like 3, 4, 5 times for the day. I mean, like make a one post for the day, then the next day again I make one next post again, right? Because sometimes people can get annoyed by your post, right? Most likely sometimes when it's something that is not relevant to them, so you might can lose followers for that. No, consistency is always the key. Yeah, tip number 2 is always to be friendly, because you know on Instagram you want your followers to be friendly, to know the type of person you are, right? You need to show that, you need to show your personality so that they can say yes, they can also interact with you on Instagram. Because I mean, if you post something and you're not friendly with your followers, none of those persons might commenting on your stuff, right? They might not share your stuff either, because being friendly also plays a part. You need to interact with people on your platform so they can know the type of person you are, so that build your engagement, right? So you can also grow. And also with that, when being friendly, person can actually share your stuff. When person share your stuff, it also put you out there so a person can actually see your account and follow you. So the next tip, which is tip number 3, is to post good quality pictures. Whether it be pictures or videos, just post good quality content, because you don't want to post something that people don't like, right? If you don't like something, don't post it, because your friend won't like it either, right? So the more good content you can post, it's also build up your engagement. You get more person to like your stuff, you get more person to comment on your stuff. So always remember to post good quality pictures. Post something that actually makes sense, that you're thinking in your head and saying, would my followers like this type of stuff, and such like that. So you have to analyze and know what your followers may like. I know it's your account, yes, you post what you want, but sometimes we post things that can be disturbing to our followers, that may sometimes we can lose our followers in that way. Yeah, the next tip is, which is tip number 4, is going live. Now, going live on Instagram can actually tell people that yes, I'm a real person. Yes, this person is actually real, right? So that way you can actually connect more with your audience, right? So going live on Instagram can actually build your engagement with your followers so that people know that yes, this is actually a real person, and we can actually communicate and respond with these people. And next thing people, I know earlier I might say 5 tips, but I need to suggest one more important tip that you need to do to get more followers and get more discovered, is using hashtag. Now that should be the number one priority when you're posting content on your Instagram. Hashtag is the most important tool that you can use to actually grow your following, right? Because using hashtag can actually help you get more discovery, right? It can help you get more discovery so that people can check out your content. And when using hashtag, it's important that you use hashtag that is relevant to your topic.